Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you might be joining from today. Thank you and welcome to Microsoft Teams Simplified presentation. My name is Dr. Samuel Adebayo. I am going to be your presenter today. And this presentation is very free. You don't have to pay any amount for this presentation. The reason why I'm doing this, though, is to help others to achieve their goals. The only offering that you can drop for us is to subscribe to this channel, is to like this presentation and share them as well. And I'm going to get right into it. Once again, thank you and welcome to Microsoft Teams Simplified presentation. At the end of this presentation, you should learn the most essential basics of Microsoft Teams that allows you to navigate your Microsoft Teams, create a meeting, and do everything that has to do with Microsoft Teams. Though there are many advanced topics that we are still going to treat in Microsoft Teams, but we are going to get to those as they come. Microsoft Teams allows you to connect naturally, to collaborate your way, and stay in the flow of your work. What is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is an all-in-one app for working together. It is a one-stop shop for connecting naturally, staying organized, and bringing ideas to life through tools and files. You can imagine in this hybrid environment how organizations can stay competitive in this competitive business world is through collaborations. You have to make calls, you have to chat with fellows in your organization, you have to collaborate with teammates, you have to integrate, you have to meet virtually, and you have to explore. And all these things are possible using this great app called Microsoft Teams. It enables us to add value to our organization, to the stakeholders, and to ourselves as well. So we all derive value utilizing this app. Agenda for today. In today's session, we are going to learn how to navigate Microsoft Teams, how to send chat messages, understand teams and channels, create and join meetings, finally locate files in Teams. And there are 5 things to know to get us started with Microsoft Teams. We are going to learn to set up your profile, to send a chat, to schedule and join a meeting, understand teams and channels, and know the location of your files. So let's get into it. I'm now going to share my Microsoft Teams. One second here. I'm going to share my Microsoft Teams app, and I think you can all see my screen. When you open your Microsoft Teams app from your desktop or from office.com, this is what you see. There are 3 segments or 3 areas of your Microsoft Teams app. On this left side is called the left rail. And on the left rail, we have on top here, we have the activity feed, which shows all the message that we receive, that the message that has been sent to us in Microsoft Teams, and also all our app mentions. You can see here that Tyra added me to the Unified Solution HR meeting, also asked me to join interview for Daryl Martin. So I have all those because my name was mentioned there. And any app mention that you receive at all, you will get that in the activity feed here. Right below the activity feed is the chat button. A chat is a one-on-one or group conversation in Microsoft Teams. You can see here, chat is non-threaded. The chat will only be viewed and seen with those people that are involved in that chat. If you have 2, 3 people involved in the chat, only those 3 people will be able to access the chat and be able to respond and work on that chat. So we are going to get there as well. Also below chat, we have Teams and channel. Teams is where all our collaboration take place. For every team that you create, there must be at least a general channel that comes along with it by default. So if you create a team, you can see this Unified Solutions HR team. Immediately that team was created, it comes with a general channel as well. And you can create more channel. You can see Office Talk channel was created. You have also the leaders team here with a general channel, and also the servant leaders channel was also created. And we are going to get into that also as we go along. You can make calls here as well. You can type the name of people that you want to call. It could be an individual call or group call. You can say Tyra. You can add Tyra to the call. And let's say Bob. You can add Bob to the call. And you hit call, and it calls. You can hit the call here, and it's going to call these 2 people. I'm not going to do that now. And they are going to be able to join them. If they are available, they will be able to join you right away. And you can do that immediately. And also, we have files here. Okay, we have the recent file. These are the recent file that has been collaborated with me in recent times. We can see the Microsoft team. These are the Microsoft team files that have been collaborated with me. You have the download. I don't have anything in the download. And you have the OneDrive as well. These are all the files that have been collaborated with me in OneDrive. And I can share this file as a text. I can share it as a chat. I can send it as email as well. And also here, these 3 ellipses, you can see that all the apps that we have in Microsoft Teams that makes it work well for us, we can customize this. We can add apps to this as we go along. Okay, so, and that is the left rail. And also in the bottom here, when you click this help sign, you can see, you can find training topics. You can see what is new in Microsoft Teams. You can actually suggest a feature for Microsoft, and they've been able to adopt some of those great features, and you can give feedback as well. So that is the essentiality of the help button here. Now we are going to get into the horizontal rail here. This is the horizontal rail. And in the horizontal rail, you are able to change the setting, your profile settings. You can add pictures to your profile. You can change your pictures. You can change your status. You can see right now my status is presenting. I can change that status to busy or do not disturb, be right back, appear away, appear offline. I can do all of that. And I can change also, I can change, sorry about that. I can change I can set my status message as well. We are also going to get into that. We can manage our account here. We can sign out of our account and sign into another account from here. And this search bar in the middle, the horizontal bar right on top, it's also very important. Most usually, when you click on forward slash on your keyboard, you will see all these commands that comes out. Okay, let's see here. If you want to go to files, it takes you right to file. Any of those commands that you click, we take you straight to that command. So if I right click and I say, let's see here, chat, it takes me right to people that I can chat with. It takes me right to them. I can type my message and I can send it as a chat. And all these people will be able to see my chat because they are members of my organization. So that is the research experience. And this middle section is called the canvas, and that is where all our we get all our work done in terms of collaboration, in terms of typing and sending chat. This canvas area is where we carry all of those out. So now we are going to get started with our presentation. We are going to start with creating a profile, setting up our profile. So now you can see when I click on my picture right here, I can now set up my profile. I can change this picture, this camera sign. If I click on it, I can say remove picture. Okay, then I can upload another picture. I can go back to you can upload from different places on your computer. I'm uploading from my computer right now. You can do it from OneDrive. You can even do it from online pictures that you have. So I am going to select Sam's picture here, and voila. If I click save, and here we go, close, and you can see Sam Pictures is now available on my profile. And you can also manage your account. Well, before I do that, let me set status message because right now I'm presenting. So I want to set status message. I want to say, I will be busy for the next 45 minutes. Please contact Bob. Let me say at Bob. Okay, this is Bob Robert Bond for any assist for any issues. For assistance. Okay. Sorry, my typing sucks today. And you can see I'm now setting up my message, my status message, as I mentioned, Bob. And right here, show when people message me, I'm going to see that message, and I'm going to set status to be for the next 1 hour. So this status is going to clear in the next 4 hours. I'm going to say done. Here we go. And I've successfully set up my status message. So I can also edit that status message if I want, but I'm going to leave it that way. And I can also manage my account. Okay. I can manage my privacy setting. I can manage priority assets. I can edit and block contacts if I want. So I can do many things. Okay. I can participate in a survey. I can, if I want. I can say diagnosis data review. I can manage that as well. So that is that about setting up our profile. So let's go now into setting up our Microsoft Teams. If you click on this ellipsis right here, then we go to settings. And that way we can customize and set up our Microsoft Teams. And under general here is showing us how to set up our team. I'm using the default thing, which I like because is clearer for me. But you have this dark and eye contrast theme for people with disability, maybe some people that have accessibility issues. So it's always, there are tons of people with disability across the globe, and you want your presentation or your meeting to be clear to everyone to view it. So that's why this team is important. You can you can change chat density as well. So we can, we can adjust the auto start application and stuff. We can change the language. For people that don't speak our language, we can select French. We can select Spanish. We can select Yoruba if we want to. We can set up our language as well. Like I said, we can change the privacy. We can put the not disturb. If we select the not disturb, we can add the names of some people that we want to be able to contact us during our do not disturb, and they'll be able to talk to us during that time. And also, we can adjust our privacy setting. Like I said, we have talked about do not disturb, read receipt, let people know when you have been when you have seen their message. You can set it up. So when people send you a message and you read that message, you can set it up so that people can know that you have read that message. Okay. So also notification as well. If you don't want to mix any activity, you can set up how soon you want to receive email. It's as soon as possible, once every 10 minutes, once every hour. I would say as soon as possible. So that is what I'm going to set here. And we can also set up our devices where if we have a microphone or if you have an headphone, you can change your speaker, or your audio device here to your headphone. Like right here, I'm using my PC speaker, but if you have some of those expensive speakers, you can select them as well. So you can adjust your mic sensitivity. You have the noise suppression here. That is very, very important. I set it to be default. Some people will set it to high. So you can set up all of that. You can change your camera setting as well if you want. And that is that. So also if you have your files here, you can change the way you download your file here if you want. But that is all about setting. And like I said, this is the canvas, is the middle area, is where all our collaboration take place. For every action that we take here, you will see the reaction in the canvas as well. So let's get started now. We are going to get started with to send a chat. So this is chat right here. Okay. You already have this chat going right here. And only the people in this chat can view and respond to this chat, because this chat is non-trended, unlike the sending a message in the Teams, which is a threaded message. Anyone that views that message, members of the channel, will be able to work on that document and be able to respond to it. So let's start by creating a new chat here. Let's 1 second. So you can filter by name the people that you want to chat to here. You can change the status of your chat. You have on read, you have chats, you have meetings, you have apps, you have muted. So you can change the setting of your chat as well. So you can also chat by name. I can say Kevin. Tyra. Okay, and you can see this is Tyra Peel, and yeah, it comes up right here. I can send a quick message if I want, so I can do that. So let's quickly send a chat. You see this sign right here with a pen? That is how to start a new chat. On top here, and you will go to your right. When you click on here, then you are starting a new chat. So you can enter the name of the person that you want to chat. I'm going to say Tyra. I can add one more person. I can say Bob. And I can say Kevin. And this is a group chat. So I am going to say, hi, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Sorry, Mike. Okay, so happy Thanksgiving. And you can make this chat, you can make it an announcement if you, let me see here. If you click the format here, okay, and you can change the font size here. I would say large, okay. You can change the urgency of the message. You can set it to urgent. You can say important. You can leave it as standard. So let's say important. And you can adjust colors. Let's see here. And we can say, and you can see, now we are starting to, and now I want to also add some GIF. Let me go. Let me search Thanksgiving. Okay, so I can select one of this. And send it. And you can see, I've just created a test. I just started a test, a chat rather. And anyone in this group, Kevin, Robert, or Tyra, can respond to this chat. And let's see here. And they can also throw some like or love or even some laughter emoji. And right here, you can also say reply. So I'm replying to my own text and I say, do not eat too much. And let's add some emoji as well. And I'm also going to send that. And you can see now we have been able to send a chat, and everyone in this group can respond to that chat. So that's how to send a chat. So having done that, now we are going to schedule and join a meeting. So to schedule a meeting, we are going to go to our calendar here. And there are a few ways we can schedule a meeting. Okay, we can schedule ad hoc meeting. That means the meeting that we have not prepared for or pre-scheduled. Maybe something quickly came up and we have to schedule a meeting right away. So all we need to do is click on Meet Now, and the topic will be Meet with Tim. I can start the meeting and ask others to join. Okay, I'm not going to start that meeting right now because we are presenting and we are in the meeting right now. So if I click on Start Meeting, it's going to ask me to add people, to that meeting. I can type the name of the people that I want to join, like Tyra, like Bob, like Kevin, and they'll be able to join my meeting. Okay, and we're going to get our meeting started right away. And we can also schedule a meeting. The way to schedule a meeting is by, you see where it says new meeting right here. If you click on this, this is what is going to appear to us. This is how to set up a meeting. We can add a title to the meeting. I would say, daily stand up. Sorry about my typing today. I cannot type. What is going on? Daily stand-up meeting. So this is our daily stand-up meeting, and I can add attendees. I will say Bob, Kevin. Okay, so this is our status meeting, and if I click on send, okay, I've been able to create, you can see that meeting now show up on my calendar. Okay, this is the daily stand-up meeting. And to join that meeting, if you click on like that, you can join this meeting like that. You have the link to join the meeting here. You can click on this join tab here as well, and you'll be able to join the meeting. And that is how to join the meeting. I'm not going to join this meeting right now because we already have a meeting going on. But at the end of this presentation, I'm going to quickly come back and show us what happened post meeting. After the meeting, what we are going to see on our screen, we are going to be able to demonstrate that as well. So that is how to create and join a meeting. Now we are now going to go to understanding teams and channel. Okay, you see this team tab right here? This is where our group collaborations take place. This is where all the people in our organization get things done as a group. Okay, for every team that is created, there must be a channel. You can see we have already two teams here. We have the Unified Solution HR team, and we have the Leaders team. And for the Unified Solutions HR team, we have the General channel and Office Talk channel. And for this, we also have a General channel and Servant Leaders channel. So let me now go through quickly how to create and join a team and creating a channel as well. So you see this bottom part here where it says join or create a team. Let's do that. And on my screen, you can see there are two ways to create a meeting. You can create a meeting from the scratch, and you can use a code that you have received from a team owner to join a meeting. You can also put that code here and say join the meeting, and it's going to join you to that, join a team, and it's going to join you to that team as well. So let's go to create team here. And on our screen is showing us ways that we can create a team. We can create a team from the scratch, from a group or team. And we have, we can create a team from some template that have been given to us. Let's start from a template at first. Let's go to manage a project template. This manage a project template already have 4 channels. We have general channel, announcement channel, resources channel, and planning channel. And you can see all the apps that makes the team function very well as well. So if I click next, it's going to ask me, do I want to make it a private or a public channel? I will say public. And it said I should name my team. Let me name this team as Unified Study Group. Okay, that's the Unified Study Group too. And you can add description to it if you want. MS 900 Study Group. Okay. So now I'm going to create. Can take a little while, so bear with me. But it's creating our channel right now. You can see on my screen it says creating the team. Well, we say feel free to close this window and go to other things. Well, okay, that's cool. And it's going to let us know when our team is ready. So I'm going to close that. And you can see we have the Unified Study Group team are now created. Also created actually, we have also a general channel as well, created at the same time as this Unified Study Group team. So let's now manage our team. When you click on this ellipsis right here, and then you can go to manage your team. Okay. In managing our team, we can add channels to this team. We can change the settings. We can see analytics. We can customize the apps available to work with this team, and we can also use the tags for the team as well. So let's quickly explore that. Let's add another channel to this team. So let's say add channel, and I'm going to say we are going to add we are going to moderate. We're going to add the moderator. Okay, and I'm going to, we can automatically show this channel in everyone's list, and I'm going to add. And you can see we have the moderator channel now created. So we have two channels, so we can manage our team further. Let's see settings. Okay, we can set member permissions. If we click on that, you can see you can change some of the give members the option to edit their message. Yes, definitely that's needed. Give members options to delete their message is needed. Allow members to create, update, and remove connectors. I will not allow that. Allow members to create, update, or remove tabs. I might not allow that. Allow members to upload custom app. I would probably rather not do that. Allow members to delete and restore channel. I would leave those to the owners. So you can adjust those settings. Guest permission, you can select, allow guests to create update channel, that will be no. At mentions, you can also change the settings for your ad mentions. So you can show the members the option to ad mention. So you can do all these settings as well. Team code, you can generate a code here. Let's generate this code. We can generate a code, and we can copy that code, and we can send this code to other people in our organization. Immediately they enter the code number, and they'll be able to join the team as well. So that is about the code. And you can also create a tag as well. So that is all about, and you can go into analytics. We have not gotten a lot of things done on, we created the team not too long ago, and we have, the analytics is just minimal. And look, these are the apps that are making the team run very well, and you can customize this, add more to the app if we want. So now let's go into our channel. Let's look at the moderators channel here. Okay, I can start a new conversation in my channel. I can say, welcome. I told you I cannot type today. Welcome everyone to this channel. And you can close this. We can you can make this an announcement. This is a new conversation, but we can make it an announcement. You can see, making it an announcement, make it bold. We can change the color if we want. We can change this color, so okay, this is the first channel meeting, and I also added a sub-ed, which is welcome everyone to this channel. And I can also throw in some emoji in there. I can say, and use a GIF if I want. Say welcome. Okay, and I'm going to send that. And every member of this channel will be able to see this message. It's a threaded message. They can all respond to it at any point in time. So, and anyone can respond to this in this member of this channel. So now we have been able to, and let's say manage channel. And who are the team owners? Only the moderator is the team owner. So we can manage that. We can add more team owners. I would say Bob. Okay, so let's just say done. It's not showing the names, but this is the logic behind just working on teams and channel. We have been able to create a channel and also send some chats in that channel as well. So that's how to utilize our teams, and we can make calls as well. We can type the names of the people that we want to call, click this call sign, and it's going to call them. And finally, we are going to understand the location of our file. And you can see here by clicking this file tab right here, it shows where all our files are located. These are the recent files that have been collaborated with me. These are the ones from Microsoft Teams. In download section, I don't have anything. You can say open download folder, let's see if anything. And you can see that is my download folder. And in OneDrive, these are the files and folders that I have in OneDrive. I can select this file. Let me assume I select this file. I can copy a link to this file and send it as email. I can send this as a chat. I can send it in my channel. I can send it as email in my Outlook. So I can copy this link. I can download it and actually save it on my computer. I can delete this file. I can rename it if I want. I can open it in OneDrive. I can move it. It's going to ask me the location that I move it to, and I can copy the file. So you can do whatever you want to do with files. So this is going to be, it's not going to be a prolonged session because we still have a lot of advanced Microsoft Teams topic that we are going to treat, like explore Teams and channel, what's new with Microsoft Teams, calling and meetings in Microsoft Teams. We have about 6-7 different Microsoft Teams topic that we are still going to treat, and I hope that you are going to enjoy and gain one or two things from all these lectures. In today's session, we have been able to learn how to set up our profile, how to send a chat, how to schedule and join a meeting, how to understand Teams and channel, and also how to locate our files in Microsoft Teams. So once again, please subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel, so that we can drop more content for you. And also share and like this presentation as well. Thank you. I'll see you soon.